Alright, stop it for a minute.
Recording.
Oh yeah.
Oh, rocking and rolling. You might want to move, Ray, because I'm going to dump the depth charger.
Whoa!
That
Yes!
good. That was good.
Yes! Oh, Dave, better watch out now, man.
They just pop right over the side, too. They don't go out as far as I thought they were going to.
That's good, though, because those are roll-off racks.
And the way I got them set up, they went right off. No delay. That was good.
That was fantastic.
Oh, I got a great shot of just those going off.
And I'm glitching, too. Look at that. Coming home, empty tubes, empty racks. Good.
Okay, you want me to stop?
Get down for a quick high-speed run. Get down on your knees.
All right. I'm ready.
You coming in? Yeah. Where's Bob? Oh, I'm glitching real bad today. I don't know why. I was glitching yesterday, too.
Yeah.
Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Very nice! That's cool. Hey, Dad, you skipped some. Yeah, one of them didn't go. What's going on? Take it off again, see? Glitched again, huh? Yeah, real bad. That was cool as hell. Did you get it all on film?
Yeah.
Cool.
It was kind of hard because they went off in a wide pattern,
Yeah.
but I got them all.
Did you feel them?
Yeah. That one blew some water up in the air, man.
They're about 3/4 full.
Pull it all the way.
Then it won't blow up as good.
Uh-huh.
Trying to shake it up.
Okay, time to recharge.
Trying to recharge what?
My boat.
Literally.
You're smoking, Dennis.
It looks that way, doesn't it? Woo.
Fire, fire, fire.
Screaming Alpha. Screaming Alpha, frame 31. Screaming Alpha, frame 32. Screaming Alpha, main deck. Man overboard. She's a smoking, all right. She's on fire.
That's not good.
Gotta get this on video too. Where's it smoking from?
That's the wires right there.
Oh, you fried your lights?
Yep.
Short out?
Yep.
Okay,
Oh,
I thought it might have been a fire started by the fuses.
Mm-mm.
Huh.
trying to cruise over it, or?
Yeah, I want to cruise over it.
Alright.
If you drop them just off of where I'm at, I'll zip in there real quick.
I'm gonna do it right in front of it. Well, I'm gonna try for right in front of it.
It's gonna be cool.
The depth charge run. Hey, Brian.
Thing that's heavy if you need to grab it.
Brian, where you at? Brian Mason.
Look at the bottom of it.
Okay, I want you to see this, bro, man. All right.
He's squirming.
Boom, 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 boom.
I know I got some. I think went off too deep. I think I'd have shortened the fuse a little lot. Come here. Cut up. Come here. Come here. Right here. Cut up. Cut up. Come here. Push your index finger down and it'll zoom.
I know.
Oh, okay.
I figured that part out.
Enemy bird dropped the bomb in front of me. I gotta replace that prop. That one shaft spinning too fast.
Here it comes! Under the pier. Yeah.
My depth perception isn't very good. I shouldn't have done that. That wasn't a good thing. That's why I slowed down real fast. I wasn't sure where it was.
I knew you were gonna make it. It was low enough.
Glad you knew. No, I wasn't worried about the height. I was worried about running into one of those pillars standing there.
That would suck.
A lot. Because with the advent of the electric-fired gas torpedoes, PT boat is done. Don't have anything else to do to it. Except for maybe charge batteries.
That would work. You going dead now?
That's flank bell right there. Just coming in the beach.